All right. This coffee maker apparently doesn't work anymore. Apparently that's what you said. So, do I have your permission, Beto, to smash it?
Yes.
What about his permission? All right. Bottoms up. You guys want to take a shot at this?
Yeah.
Come on.
Oh my God! You destroy everything.
Yeah, no. You can. There's still stuff to smash. You can still smash. Come on, harder. Oh yeah. What about him? Does he want to smash?
No, thank
All right. Rest for me.
Ooh, look at that.
Little souvenir. You want? Oh! Oh my! Oh my goodness! Look at that! I guess it wasn't so broken after all. It literally broke the bat. Wow! What a show we're having, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah. Huh. Whew. Oh.